A very pleasant welcome to one and all. This is Shabana Anjum, Assistant Professor from Department of Commerce and Management, and I am from Government First Grade College, Chikbalapur. The session for today's discussion is session 44 of Advertising and Media Management subject for 5th SEM BBA students of Bangalore North University. The topic for today's discussion is advertising scheduling strategies. In our previous class, we had the discussion on advertising decisions and media schedule. The learning objective of this chapter is to provide an understanding of creative strategy and advertising budget. The session outcome of this chapter is the students will be able to understand the creative strategy and advertising budget. Now let us know the types of advertising scheduling strategies. The first one is burst campaigns, often associated with the awareness objective. The burst campaign compacts media activities into a series of relatively short time frames with relatively long periods of absence from media activity in between. This pattern may be used when a new product is being introduced. The second one is flightening. Wave method or the flighting method is another kind of scheduling and flighting. In-flighting advertisements are bunched with the intention of providing a concentrated impact. Frequently, when flighting is employed, radio or cable TV will be used to supplement the advertising campaign during the times when television commercials are off the air. Next is continuous campaign. Another approach mostly associated with reminder campaigns is to extend the time frame of the advertising message over a long period. The campaign provides continuity of the message. Although at the cost of the impact, these continuous patterns are often used for mature products, where reminder advertising is appropriate. There can be perfect continuous advertising, a rising continuity, or falling continuity. Rising continuity. This pattern is used when the advertising circles around a particular event. Falling continuity. This pattern may follow an initial burst to launch a new product or to inform a product modification. Next, we have got pulsing campaign. A compromise between the burst and the continuous strategy is the development of the pulsing campaign. Here, a comparatively low level of media activity is maintained over a long period of time with periodic increases in the expenditure patterns. It is often associated with seasonal or other influences on buyer activities. Normally, scheduling is done for a 4-week period. The 6 types of schedules available are study plus, seasonal pulse, period pulse, erratic pulse, startup pulse, promotional pulse. Now let us move on to steps in creative communication process. So here we have got some of the steps. The first step is preparation. The creative process begins with preparation, gathering information and materials, identifying sources of inspiration, and acquiring knowledge about the project or problem at hand. The second is incubation. The ideas and information gathered in stage 1 marinate in the mind. As ideas slowly simmer, the work deepens and new connections are formed. Third one is illumination. After a period of incubation, insights arise from the deeper layers of the mind and break through to conscious awareness of then in a dramatic way. Seemingly out of nowhere, the solution presents itself. Verification. Whatever ideas and insights arose in stage 3 are fleshed out and developed. Now we have got some of the multiple choice questions. The first question is, communication process refers to the series of steps taken to not to communicate, to communicate successfully, or none of the above. So the answer for this is communicate successfully. The second question is, the components of communication process include sender, message, channel of communication, or all of the above. So the answer for this is all of the above. The third question is, the total number of communication process components are 2, 4, 6, or all of the above. So the answer is 6. The next question is communication process steps includes preparation, incubation, elimination, or all of the above. So the answer for this is all of the above. Next and the last question is communication process mediums can be via audio, video, or both A and B, audio and video, or is it all of the above? So the answer is all of the above. So this is the website what I have referred for the preparation of this session. So with this, I conclude this session 44 and let us meet for the next session soon. Thank you.